Hi, today I'm going to show you how to play at the park. Hi, I'm going to show you how to play on the monkey bars.
Hi, I'm going to show you how to go on a slide.
Thanks for visiting Outside Mud Place. Today we're going to show you how to play at the park. I'm going to show you how to play on the monkey bars.
And I'm going to show you how to play on the slide.
Hi, my name's Dawg, and this is how you do the monkey bars. So, you grip your hand on the first one, and make sure you have enough time to hang. And once you do that, reach one arm out to the other. Bring your other hand back to the one you're hanging on, and do it again.
I'm Lizzy, and I'm going to show you how to go down a slide. So first what you want to do is to sit down, and you make sure you want to hold on to something. So then you just let the slide bring you down. This is how you do it again. You sit down and you hold on and you let the slide make you go down. And now I'm going to show you on the bigger one. Big slide and hold on like the little one and half slide. You sit down and you hold on and half slide. And that's how you play on a slide.
Okay, thanks for visiting Outside Mud Pies. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below if you had fun at the park.
Make sure you check out our other videos.
Now we're going to go play at this park, and I hope you can find a park to play at too.
Bye.
Bye.